Hello students, today we shall learn about words. Words are of many types: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. Noun is a naming word. Naming word, name or a noun of a person, place or thing is used for naming that person, place or thing. Verb is an action word. Verb is the most important word of a sentence. Look at the following sentences. Sachin hits a ball. Sachin hits a ball. What does Sachin do? Sachin hits. What does Sachin hits? Sachin hits a ball. Sachin has a ball. What does Sachin have? Sachin has a ball. Sachin is happy. How is Sachin? Sachin is happy. Second group, the bird flies. The bird flies. What flies? The bird. The bird has two wings. What does the bird have? The bird has two wings. The bird is a parrot. What is the bird? The bird is a parrot. In group 1, the words in red, that is hits, has and is, say what Sachin does or what Sachin has or what Sachin is. In group 2, the words in red say what the bird does, action, or what the bird has. The bird has two wings, or what the bird is. The bird is a parrot. Here, the action, possession, or state. The words like hits, has, is, flies, has, is. These words are called verbs. What is a verb? A verb is an action word which says what a person or a thing does, has, or is. What do we include in thing? Things means anything other than person. Maybe animals, things, places, etc. A verb must have a subject. A verb is an action word. It shows the action. So there should be a doer of the action. Action is done by whom? Here, who hits the ball? Sachin. So if we ask a question who to the verb, we get the answer which is the doer of the action. We call it the subject of the verb. Action must always have a subject. If there is no subject, there cannot be any action. Action must have a subject. It is very simple and clear. Now here Sachin has a ball. Now if we cut this much, Sachin has. The meaning of the words sentence is not complete. Sachin has. But what? Sachin has a ball. So, if we ask question what to the verb, we get the answer which is called object of the verb. Many words have objects. What is an object? An object is a word related to the verb action. The subject does some action and the action passes over something else. Sachin hits a ball. So action is done on a ball. Therefore, if we ask question what to the verb, the answer we get is the object of the verb. So a ball is the object of the verb hits. Sachin is the subject of the verb hits. Sachin hits a ball. Some words do not have objects. They need some other words to complete the meanings. Like Sachin is happy. Now consider the word is. Sachin is. If only we say Sachin is, the meaning is not complete. What is Sachin? The answer needs some explanation. Sachin is happy. Who is happy? Sachin. Sachin is the subject of the word is. But to complete the meaning of this sentence, We need one or more words to complete the meaning of the sentence. Sachin is happy. Sachin is ill. Sachin is late. Like that, these words, happy, ill, late, help to complete the meaning of the sentence. Sachin is. They are called complements. Now, a verb must have a subject and also often an object. For example, if we say, the baby plays with a ball. Who plays? The baby. The baby is a subject. What does baby do? Baby plays. Plays is a verb. Baby plays with a ball. The ball becomes the object. A boy rides a bicycle. Who rides a bicycle? A boy. A boy is a subject. What does a boy do? Rides. Rides is a verb. What does a boy ride? A boy rides a bicycle. So a bicycle is the object of the verb rides. Rides what? Rides bicycle. Thus, the verb must have a subject and also often an object. Some verbs are such that they do not have objects. They can complete their meanings on their own. For example, the baby sleeps. What does the baby sleep? No answer. But even though the meaning is fulfilled, the baby sleeps. We can understand the meaning of this sentence. The baby is subject, sleeps is the verb. Now, the verb must always have subjects, and the verb is always in agreement with the number of the subject. If the subject is one, that is singular, the verb must be singular verb. If the subjects are more than one, then the verb should also be in plural like subject. For example, the boy plays cricket. The boy, single, plays, singular form of to play, cricket, object. Many boys play cricket. Many boys, plural, play, there is no S, play, cricket. So if the subject is singular, the verb should be in singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should be in plural. Now, as a general rule in English, nouns from singular are converted into plural by adding s, es, s, etc. And the singular form of the verb differs only for third person. Now, noun can be replaced by a pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Pronouns are of many types. Out of this, personal pronouns denote persons. The person of a speaker is always first person. The person of a listener is always second person. The person other than speaker or listener is said to be third person. So in third person singular, we use s or es at the end of the verb. For example, I play cricket. I play cricket daily. We play cricket. We play cricket daily. You write a letter. More than one, you learn English. He, third person, other than speaker or listener, he writes a letter. Or she writes a letter. Or for things other than person like birds, it flies in the sky. We add s at the end of the verb in present tense. And for plural, they play. Thus, the verb is in agreement with subject in number, singular or plural. The boys play cricket. Who play cricket? The boys, subject. What do boys play? Boys play cricket. It is the object. Now here in this sentence, Nita rides a bicycle. Who rides a bicycle? Nita. So Nita is the subject in this sentence. What does Nita do? Action. Nita rides. Rides is the verb. What does Nita ride? Nita rides a bicycle. So a bicycle is the object of this sentence. So dear students, in a sentence, various parts we have learned: subject, verb and object. In statements, subjects are always written first in the sentence. The first letter of any sentence we always begin with a capital letter. First of all, we always write the subject in statements. At the end of the sentence, we always write full stop. A sentence shows a definite idea. So dear students, try to practice to learn sentences of various types, verbs, nouns and other words. Thank you.